Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will give you top 3 free PDF editor website that you can use right now. So let's dive in. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial about free stuff like this. So with that being said, let's get started. All right, so the very first website I have for you right here is this particular website, zjda.com. This particular website here offers a free PDF editor in different formats. Okay, now when you get to the site, it's going to look like this. What you need to do is to simply click on edit a PDF document. It is free 100%. What are the things you can do on this particular site? You can edit your PDF, you can compress, you can delete pages, merge, split, extract pages. Then you can also alter and mix. You can mark PDF, you can organize, extract pages, split by pages, split by bookmark, split in half, split by size, split by text, etc. Then you can also sign and fill, create forms, delete pages, and compress your PDF. You can also unlock PDF. You can also protect PDF, add watermark, flatten PDF, PDF to PPT, and PDF to JPEG, PDF to Excel, PDF to text, PDF to Word document, HTML to PDF, JPEG to PDF, Word to PDF, OCR, and SQ. Also, extract images from PDF, etc. There are a lot of things you can do on this particular website, all for free. You can also get their desktop version into your iOS or Windows or Linux. Click here for free download. Okay, so we can simply scroll down here and see how best to use this particular website to edit our PDF. Just like so, what you need to do, click on Edit PDF Online, drop your PDF file, and start editing your PDF. This is a great tool for PDF editor, and it is completely free. Okay, so let's take a look at another website I have for you as far as 3 best websites for PDF editor online is concerned. PDF Escape. Okay, I'm going to press Enter key on my keyboard. Then it takes us to this particular page. What we need to do next is to simply click on the first result right here, which is pdfescape.com. Just like so, it takes us to this particular page. You can see the original online free PDF editor and form filler. So what you need to do is to simply click on free online. You can also install their extension for Chrome browser, Mozilla, and Edge, Opera Mini, and etc. So for you to use their online version, you can also use their software for Windows laptop, such as Windows 11, Windows 10, Windows 8, Windows 7. These are supported Windows version. And for you to use their online service, what you need to do is to simply click on free online. Then take you to this particular page. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on upload. Then make sure you click on choose a file. Then select your file and click on open. Just like so, it's going to analyze and process your file to be open. Once it's 100%, it's going to open up your file just like so. So you have your file fully open right here. On this particular editor page, you can work on any of the text right here. Now, for you to edit anything stuff right here, just click on this pencil icon here. This will allow you to edit just such as text. You can change the color, you can change format, you can add link. So just like so, right here, if I want to change this color from red to another color, so it's as simple as that. So what you need to do is to press Ctrl A just to select all the text, then come to the top right here. You can simply change the color of the text, just like so. So if you are not satisfied with that color, you can choose another color, just like so. Then you can come to the top here, make the text bold. Okay, then you can also come here and increase the font size, just like so. So if the font size is much, come down here and turn it down a little bit. Okay. If you want to add anything to your PDF, so what you need to do, simply navigate to this button right here. You can add sticky notes, insert stuff, you can underline your PDF text, you can strike out, highlight your PDF. You can also use this particular text right here to insert text, white out, right hand, freehand, and you can add image to your PDF. You can add link to your PDF and form feed, etc. So once you are satisfied with everything about your PDF editing, you need to come down right here and download your file. You can also use this tool to generate or create PDF form, all for free. Let's take a look at the very last one that you can use as one of the best PDF editor online. So the very last one I have for you here is this particular website right here. So docfly.com is another great tool for PDF editor. So take a look at it right here, best online PDF editor. And this particular site here creates, edits, and convert up to 3 PDF files in a month, all for free, for the best of this free PDF editor. So from this site right here, what you need to do is to simply click on here, upload your file from your device, or better still, get your file from Dropbox or from your Google Drive. It's as simple as that. Once you upload your file, then you can do different stuff on your PDF, such as editing, add image, format, delete pages. So you can also save and secure PDF file. You can also convert your PDF to any other Word document format. You can also convert your PDF to JPEG. You can scroll down here and see more stuff you can do with PDF, all for free on this particular website. Okay, these are great 3 best PDF editor I have for you as far as PDF editor online for free is concerned. If you find this tool useful, let me know in the comment section, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tutorial about free stuff like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.